Hi guys, Dean Wenzel with Wenzel Paintings, and I have a cool idea for you today. Hey, do you have any old plywood laying around the house? Well, I have just an old piece of plywood. I took this and I turned it into a clock. You can turn a cool painting into a clock or other type of things, but in this case I did a clock, and what I did was I just took a piece of plywood, this is a 1/4 inch, and I cut out some jagged edges on it. Then I decided, to paint some sort of painting on it, and once I let that dry, I drilled a hole in it, and I went to, in this case, Amazon, and I'll put the link to this clock mechanism on the video down below so you know where I got it. But what I did was I went and got this clock mechanism right here, and you've probably seen these. If you have a clock laying around the house, you've had to replace the battery, you've seen these before. You can pick these up on Amazon for really cheap. And so what I did was it's got some clock hands in it and everything you need to build yourself a clock. And what I did was I went ahead and I painted, then I drilled a hole through the back of the painting, and I mounted a piece of wood here and a piece of wood here so that it would be flush up against a wall when you hang it. Put a little hanging device right there, and yeah, once I finished it, that's the way it looked, and turned out really kind of cool. And you can click on my link at the Etsy site, and you can see some of the work that I do. But these are really neat, and you stick a battery in it, and boy, I'll tell you, it makes a nice wall clock. So that's a cool idea. If you like that idea, click the like button, and make sure you leave some comments for me, good, bad, or otherwise. I really enjoy hearing from you guys, and make sure you subscribe to my channel too. So thanks, and let's keep this going.